guys, good morning and welcome to Vlogmas today. 7. 7. So, today is a Sunday. We got home last night around 5:30 a.m. Sobrang late na talaga. We have plans for today. And Miggy's here. He's just unboxing some things we got in the mail today. Got this in the mail today. She sent me Chanel hangers. It's like a vintage looking mirror, a pillowcase there. And this one I super love. An acrylic table with my name on it.
I have mine din. I'll put it sa I'll put it sa room ko, sa condo ko.
Gonna me. And babe, look. I'm gonna wear it after maybe 1 year of not wearing it. I mean, sayang kasi. And it's pairing with my top. Sabi ng mom ko, para daw akong walang damit kasi paulit-ulit yung mga sinuot ko. Wala akong talo sa Avalon. Panalo lang ako all rounds. Ang galing-galing ko, sis.
Not because you're being carried.
You weren't carrying me. We were never in the same team.
Nah, bro, I was.
No, I was always bad kagabi. By the way, I'm super happy. I have na my blender. This is perfect for my 3Z drinks. Yan. Ganun lang. So, we can use this. Tapos, hindi na ako mag-makeup. And I super love these sunnies. Ito yung baby, kay Soye Gina brand. Ganda, no?
Wow, you look pretty.
So, I just put water. Then, I put my light fiber. Okay na yun.
Sarap? Ano flavor nito?
Passion fruit. Okay? Hindi. Ano na ngayon? 1
One.
hours na, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Between 7 to 9, dun ka mag-cleanse. So, perfect
Oh, no,
yung time ko. Oh, again, to those of you who are asking me, anong difference nung pink sa green? If you have sensitive tummy, if you just wanna maintain your weight and problem yung bloating, I suggest you go for pink.
Pero if gusto kong pumayat, green.
Yeah, the green one is like a kickstart to your weight loss. Kasi may mga meron siyang key ingredients that burn talaga fats. Ayan. By the way, yung natutunan ko dun sa health coach, in layman's term, may yung mga ingredients si Chizzy helps our mitochondria to transform the food we eat into energy rather than fat. Gets? Okay. Let's go. Na-realize ko, hindi pala ako pwede mag-sunglasses kasi naka-glasses ako. And of course, we have VLOGMAS bag. Wala na. Sobrang bright and sunny. And then, dun sa other side, nakuha na ko siya sa phone ko. Parang ang dark. Scary. Ang scary. Kakapanood lang kasi namin ng Perfect Storm, kaya parang, oof.
Pag di ka na-monetize.
Check ako ng Christmas gifts.
Ako, bibili lang naman ako.
Shirts na naman. I'm gonna visit Hermes kasi meron akong gustong gift for my mom.
And me.
And okay naman doon kasi pwede kang mag-schedule ng slot mo so wala masyadong tao.
Sabit kami dito.
Sabit? Gilid. Iyon. Babe, pang ilang gym na natin yan na nakita.
Kasi pinapabili na nga sa'yo.
The world is telling me to buy it. Wait. Waste natin yung Hermes drop-off kasi iniwan namin yung mga gamit namin, yung mga binili namin kasi mabigat. Medyo malayo yung parking namin.
Thank you.
Yes, miss. Pwede kami magpa-reserve for tonight dun sa private room.
Ilang takbo ba?
2. Ang ganda ng Christmas lights. Wala pa kaming Christmas lights sa bahay.
Okay na yan?
Okay, so we're here in Songdo-won. Ang sarap talaga dito.
I'm hungry.
Ang sarap dito, pero nagpa-reserve kami yung private room nila. Ganito yung area niya. Kami lang, and then they sanitize it. Every other person. Pero of course, kayo sa sarili niyo, you can sanitize the surfaces also. Super love ko to. Hindi siya drying. Tsaka ang liit niya. Ayan, we have some sides. Favorite ko to, fish cake and kimchi. Yay.
Hi.
Kanina ka palagay. Ang sarap ng kimchi because it's so cold. And hindi siya maasim.
Talaga? Hindi ako maasim eh.
I'll ask for water na lang or royal siguro. This is for Mishi. Oh wow, there's beefy. Wow. So, pinacook na namin sa kitchen. Thank you. Let's go.
Ano mo lang? Half no?
Dakto lang.
What? Oh wait.
Kakakain lang.
Yay! The baboy goes!
Wait, baby. I like the toy. I did not see.
Oh, what do you want, babe? Yun lang, yun lang?
Okay na ba?
Sige, yun lang po.
Kasya ba yung pera natin? Lagi tayong walang cash eh.
Ano ka ba? Kasama mo ko.
Kairita ka
Hindi
na.
tayo mamala ng cash. Ha? Samayan sa Mishi boy.
Ang sarap ng ice cream. Baby, you love it.
Lasa ng strawberry. Tiktik mo ha?
McFlurry, nasa strawberry.
I don't know why, but it tastes like strawberry, bro.
Hey guys, this is the next series. Sorry, hindi na ako nakapag-update kagabi dahil ako ay nanood ng start-up finale. So, I went kahapon to Greenbelt to get gifts. Yes, madami sila, but they're not that expensive, I swear. Pero sobrang happy ko lang kasi parang, cute kasi siya eh. Yung person na makaka-receive, feeling ko ma-appreciate niya kahit parang small novelty item lang siya. So, eto wala na itong laman kasi ang bigat nito. Nilabas ko yun. So, first is this one. Ang ganda nito. I think this is a plate. Ito, sobrang cute nito kasi among sa lahat ng parang dinnerware ng Hermes, siya lang yung may dust bag. Sobrang cute niya. And then yung mosaic yung design niya with like the H in the middle. So, ayan. So, medyo tita na yung pagbibigyan natin ito. For example, you receive one as a gift. You can build from there. So, bili ka ng presentation plate and then dinner plate. Tapos yung mga teacup, ganon. Yung problem lang, kaya hindi kami masyado nakapili is sobrang konti na nung stocks dahil Christmas nga. Next item, this one is super interesting. I'm not sure if I actually saw something like this from Heart's vlog. This is an Hermes flat mat. So, para siyang placemat. Tapos, paper lang siya and you get a lot. Pero, ang nire-recommend nila is you can, ano tawag doon, babe? Laminate. Like, how you laminate ID. Pwede mo siyang i-laminate so that you can reuse it. So, ayan siya. Sobrang cute. And you get a lot. Like, sobrang dami nito. Ayan, baliktaran siya. Ito yung design. And then, sa other side, we have this blue na mayroong mga H. Ito yung pangalawa. And I got another one. Ang ganda lang kasi talaga ng presentation. Actually, parang dapat ilan lang yung gifts na bibili namin from Hermes. Tapos mag-Dior na kami. Kaya lang, wala lang. Kung ako yung makaka-receive, kahit nasabihin mo na parang flat mat lang siya, the whole experience, tapos you unbox it, and then, basta, gusto ko lang yung feel. Ayun. These are like a lot of paper bags lang. And cards para sa mga pagre-regaluhan natin. This one is a polo shirt. I got this for my dad. I can say that kasi my dad doesn't watch naman the vlog. Red polo shirt and you have like the H logo right here. And if you remember, last Christmas, I got my dad an Hermes belt. Tapos pinagalitan niya ako kasi nga hindi ma-luxury yung dad ko. He doesn't like it if we spend on like mga ganon. Sasabihin niya lang na, o bumili na lang kayo ng lupa or invest, ganyan. Ayaw niya ng ganon. Pero kasi ako, I always like spoiling my parents. So, binili ko na lang yung something na feeling ko magagamit niya, which is a polo shirt. Next, I suggest you really get the mga perfume sets from Hermes kasi they're very sulit. Meron siyang holiday box. Pero meron pa siyang classic orange box. Parang ito lang yung binabayaran mo and then these two, they come for free. Ganun yung price niya. Bango. This one naman is yung for women. Ito, I'll give this to a person na hindi ko in-expect magiging friends kami kasi we started out as business partners. Pero, hands down, I love this girl. Yan.
Paamoy.
Ito, merong tatlo. So, parang ginawa namin, pag may nakita kaming magandang item, we buy na lang ng maraming ganun para di na kami mag-iisip. So, ayan. I think these are notebooks. I'm not very sure, but I think. Ganyan siya, oh. Hindi siya natatanggal. Love it. Tapos, ayan. Here's the notebook. Tapos, ayan. Plain lang siya. So, perfect for those na nag-journal or nag-office. Ayan. Oh, these are coasters! These are so cute. Perfect for the titas out there. Again, bumili kami ng tatlo. Cute! Oh my God! Sobrang cute niya. Hermes coasters.
Ay, madami.
Oh, madami! Tapos iba-iba siya. Ayan, coasters. Tapos iba-iba yung design niya. Ito yung nice, yung may H. Parang collectible din siya. Kaya cute. Ah, may matatawa kayo dito. Yung playing cards. Ito siya. Ayan. Look at that. It's so nice. Diba? If you know someone who's a big fan of Hermes, this is a nice gift because it's not expensive. Mostly yung mga gifts na to for mga workmates, ganyan. Yung mga pang friends, wala pa talaga akong nabibili na gift. So, another episode pa yon. Ayan, ito, bumili kami ng 2 playing cards. And I only got one thing for myself. I'm so proud. I just got a bracelet for myself. Dirty white and gold hardware. So yeah, those are the things that I got from Hermes na mostly gifts talaga sila. And if you're looking for gifts, ito best to sa mga ninong, ninang, titos, and titas. Kasi for sure they'll appreciate it. It's not the most expensive, pero it's really the experience of unboxing them. Yeah, that is it for today's vlogmas. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's vlog, may kakolab ako.